Well, first, I've been tremendously impressed by the number and the quality of the companies that are here. And I've been taken around by my colleague from the U.S. Commercial Service. And my discussions with the American companies have been quite impressive. I would say, in general, what I have witnessed is the marrying up of American innovation, American know-how with German technology. And it seems to be moving in the direction where assisting Germany and others around the world to be more efficient, more productive. Now, I know that Germany is known for efficiency and productiveness, but it is nice to see how American and German companies have come together to work together to be more productive and more efficient. I think it's also a reflection of what the current administration is trying to do in the U.S. to make a more business-friendly environment, deregulating the environment, the business environment, corporate tax reform. All of those things are taking place in the United States to create a more business-friendly environment for manufacturing in the U.S. and to broaden the manufacturing base in the United States. And there have been German companies that have taken advantage of this. One in particular has made a $30 million investment in a plant in Chicago back in 2017, and they have reaped the benefits of that investment by taking advantage of the policies that the current administration has put in place. What has inspired me the most is actually looking at the workforce and how Americans and Germans can work together on this. This is important for the future. It impressed me because the people who are here are passionate about this change and how we're going to marry up technology to make the workforce more efficient, to make manufacturing more efficient, more productive, because manufacturing is not going away and machine tools are not going away. But the people who will be working on this equipment, who will be utilizing this equipment, devising this equipment, will be different. And so I walk away from this being very excited about what the future holds in terms of cooperation, particularly between American innovation and German technology.